I'm going to start with some Italian parsley, and I need to go with about half a cup. Just kind of chop it up. Now I don't want to chop it up too finely because I know we're going to get plenty of chop when we put it into that food processor. Got my food processor here. Like I said, about half a cup. We're going to need about 2 tablespoons of chopped basil. Nice cut. Put it in. Let's get rid of this. We're going to need about 2 tablespoons of oregano. Boy, that aroma in here is already smelling great. We need about half a cup of 1 white onion. The white onion is going to add a lot of flavor to this. It's going to be a little bit on the acidic side. The acidic side. That's okay. I don't want to cut it up too finely. Like I said, that food processor's got to do its job too. We need about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You can go fresh minced garlic, or you can go just like this. Perfect. I need about 2 tablespoons of 1 red bell pepper. Actually, I'm just going to use the 1. I know I cut 2. Just going to use the 1. And it's probably a little more than 2 tablespoons, but I love a good red bell pepper. Now I do need some lime zest. The first thing I'm going to do though is just kind of go like this with my lime, kind of loosen it up a little bit, because I'm going to need some lime juice too. That just helps break down that fibers inside there and loosen it up. Now I need about a tablespoon of this zest. I'll put this up here. So I'm kind of rolling it as I'm going. You know, and I'm going to say that's probably close enough for government work. At this point, I need about a quarter of a cup of lime juice. Good squeeze, fresh lime. Love it. If you have a beer, you know, it'd be perfect for that. All right, that's probably close enough there. We're going to need some EVOO, maybe about a half a cup. Perfect. Going to need a couple of tablespoons of some red wine vinegar. Give it that acidity. About a tablespoon and a half kosher salt. And about 1 teaspoon of pepper. I got my handy dandy manual food processor here. And I just want to give it a couple of chops. Mix it up a little bit. Because I don't want a paste. Just want something that just kind of blends together, tastes good. Something the entire family's going to enjoy without the paste. Give it another check. Yeah, that's looking good. What a mess, though. But that's all right. All right. I think that's good. Let's give it a little taste test. That's awesome. You get the sweetness from that basil, get the acidity from the onion and that red wine vinegar, and then you get that smooth flavor from the oregano. That's great. You could use it right now as is. You wouldn't have a problem. Everybody would love you for it. But this needs to marry up. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. That's why I'm saying it's perfect to do this while your ribs are cooking. Let's try it with our sauce. All right, come on. There we go. Nice little dose on there. I don't care. I'd eat these any day. Wow.